My name is Gary Stevens. I am the CEO of May Group USA. The M1 product is a complete ERP system. Each product has a cost build-up and everything's applied to a job so that we can, at the end of the project, evaluate how profitable that project was, or groups of projects. We can quote a specific margin that we want to achieve and then measure whether or not we achieve that against the job at the end of the process. So it helps us to predict because we have an understanding of what our profitability has been on similar jobs in the past. The job costing is very accurate, and so we have a great degree of confidence in the amount of time that will go into producing jobs. We understand our material costs very well. So unless something goes off track, which is very rare here, the profitability of the job will certainly come out in the range that we projected to from the very beginning. The strongest aspect of M1 from my perspective is inventory costing. It's very good at that. We're more of a job shop, and we have a lot of moving parts, labor, material, allocation of overhead. We've got it tied down very tight. So someone that is in a similar manufacturing business as us, not necessarily the same products, but the same sort of activities, would be well advised to buy an M1 product.